Good morning, everybody. I'm out here with the chickens. I gave them a few treats. But I'm getting ready to take down this fence and empty out some of these tires. We don't want the chickens to lay eggs in these tires. I gave it a couple of days so they can go in and clear it out. There's Chuck. Say good morning, Chuck. I gotta keep my switch handy around him. That's my old tractor tire. Just left it there so they can have something to play on. Now all the chickens are accounted for except for Cher. Here comes Sunny. This is Sunny. Her twin sister, Cher, is missing. And it means that she is in the nesting box. I need to go verify that she's in the nesting box and not laying around somewhere in this yard. Now look at Pepper. Look at her chest. See Pepper? Black and white. And look at Salt. Look at her chest. See, it's white. That's how my wife chose the name Salt and Pepper. This is Flossie. And look at Fanny, her sister. Fanny has a dark ring around her neck, like a fan. So she called her Fanny and Flossie. That's Fanny. Look at Salt's chest. You see her chest? It's white. You hear the bird in the trees? Chuck is saying, y'all stay right where you are. Come here, girl. They like to mess with you, don't they? They like to mess with you, don't they? That's because your sister's injured. All right. We're going to have to go find the one that's missing. Let's go hunt her down. Hopefully she's in the nesting box. Prissy, they just keep messing with you. You're going to have to stand your ground, girl. You're going to have to stand your ground. You're bigger than they are. You must be younger. This little red cap is smaller than everybody else's. Yesterday, I came outside and saw a deer. And deer couldn't get in the yard. I don't know why it took me years to get a fence. I just didn't want one of those solid, non-see-through fence. I wanted to be able to see through and still see the woods back there. The neighbor has a rooster. And let's see what Chuck do. He's saying I'm louder than you, buddy. No, I've been listening to the neighbor's rooster over the last 2 or 3 days, and he's getting stronger. One of those roosters with a long, skinny neck. Sound like they out in the woods. Let's go look and see if we can find the missing chicken. Normally they don't take that long to lay an egg. There she go. There she go. You finished? You finished? Yeah, she just laid an egg. And now they're mad because I'm gonna look. 1, 5, 6 eggs. This is the sound you get after egg was laid. Let me look in the coop. Now Chuck don't like us to come mess around with. But he see this. Let me see what he's gonna do. Let's see what he's gonna do. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Okay. 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 That's it. Just those 6. Oop. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I didn't take nothing. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Fanny. I'm just looking. I'm gonna go back and take my seat. I'm gonna come back and take my seat. This is my seat. Go ahead on. You can pass. You can pass. I give you permission to pass. I give you permission to pass. Trying to get a little courage up. These chickens can communicate, everybody. They can communicate with each other. This is the fence that I'm talking about taking down, dumping out all the dirt and the tires, taking a rake and raking it smooth. I don't know if anybody know what gooseberries are, but they're orange and they look like grapes, but these are orange gooseberries. And for some reason, these chickens will not eat the leaves. They will not eat the leaves. Come on, Chuck, you can pass. Don't get yourself stuck in there. You can pass. Come on. Don't worry about it. Come on by. You can pass. This is Ruby, everybody. Her sister name is Russ. Come on, Chuck. Don't be scared. I got the switch, but I ain't gonna get you. Come on, boy. Come on. You trying to figure out how to get by? Come on. Come on, you don't have to walk around. Come on. Come on, I got you. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Come on, boy. It's okay. I'm not gonna bother you. Don't be scared. Come on. Don't be scared. There you go. There you go. See there? I wasn't gonna mess with you. You did the right thing. I come out here and I talk to the chickens like they understand English. But they understand. We had them since they were 2 and 3 days old. We're the only ones they seen. Gooseberries. They orange. We saw them in Walmart. And I said, let me see if they'll grow. And believe it or not, that was about 2 years ago. I planted the seeds. There's probably about 300-400 seeds in one little gooseberry. And lo and behold, it grew. Not just here, but they're growing everywhere. What is that? A lemon? So I'm gonna go in here and clean this out. Dump all the dirt out. It was working great before I had the fence up. And the deer came in and just ate everything. Couldn't believe it. Only issue I'm going to have is, what on earth am I going to do with these tires? Anybody have any ideas what I can do with these tires? I don't feel like painting them white and using them as yard decoration. And I truly think that snakes can get in them, hide. That's why I want to get rid of them. But I'm getting ready to get to it, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Jeff Rose Country Living. Goodbye.